Greetings from sunny Thailand. Today is August 4th, 2026, and we present to your attention another video report from the construction site of the Siam Oriental Oasis project. Construction is proceeding according to plan, and as of today, the following stages have already been reached. The monolithic works and the staircase to the roof of buildings A and B have been completed. Tiling is underway in the bathrooms and on the balconies on the third floor of buildings A and B. Ceiling installation work has begun on the first floor of buildings A and B. On the 8th floor, wall masonry is in progress. And in building A, plastering work is being carried out on the 4th floor. Electrical installation work is already underway on the 7th floor. In building B, wall masonry is underway on the 6th floor. Plastering work continues on the 2nd floor. Electrical installation work is in progress on the 5th floor. In building C, finishing work has begun at the roof level, as well as tiling and ceiling installation on the upper floors. Thank you for staying with us and following the progress of Siam Oriental's projects. Your trust inspires us to create a comfortable space both for living and for investment.